Step into a world of discovery. Presenting Elementa, a complete hands-on science kit series designed to spark imagination and bring science to life. Each Elementa kit is packed with high-quality tools and easy-to-follow guides, perfectly organized for smooth learning anytime, anywhere. From the microscopic world to electricity basics, from Visio sense to thermal hydro, Elementa makes abstract concepts visible and unforgettable. See buoyancy in action. Understand mass, volume, and density, all in one guided experience. Set up a circuit, measure voltage and current, and confirm Ohm's law in action, all using real instruments, not just simulations. Demonstrate how light reflects from different mirror surfaces, plane, concave, and convex, using a 5-slit screen and mirror model. Empower your students to discover, explore, and create. With Elementa, it's hands-on, minds-on, and future-ready.